All right, hello. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a dragon. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a weird looking S, okay? And then you're gonna do a triangle, but don't do like the other side of it, because then you won't have part of the body. It just looks like triangles hanging off it. Anyways, then you're gonna do another line that follows the weird looking S, okay? All right, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make an L. Then you're gonna make a line, but that doesn't go all the way, so don't close it. And then you're gonna make a line like that, but you don't wanna close the line down there, because then it just looks weird. Anyways, now you're gonna draw like a little finger kind of looking thing right there. Now you're gonna do the same on the other side. Draw the little finger. Next, you're gonna draw this big old looking wing. And you're gonna go like that. And then next, you're gonna do the same thing. All right? Then you do the same thing. All right. Then you're gonna draw a head. Oh, I messed up, and that is okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go like this. It kind of looks a little weird, but that is okay. You gotta add the horns and fill the horns in. And then our dragon is almost complete. Then you're gonna draw little kind of like spikes, except they're circles. This is from a bird's eye view, and I just like to leave this black and white. Once you're getting close to the head, what you do is you draw 3 circles that look like they're connected. And there, voila. You have a dragon masterpiece, and you are done. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye.